The 4.7-liter PowerTech V8 engine, used in Dodge Ram 1500 trucks from 2003 to 2018, has recurring reliability issues that affect many owners. One common problem is excessive oil consumption, caused by worn piston rings or valve guides that allow oil to burn in the engine. Timing chain elongation leads to misalignment, resulting in rough idle and reduced performance. Head gasket failures cause coolant leaks between cylinders and coolant passages. Exhaust manifold cracks result from thermal stress, leading to exhaust leaks and reduced efficiency. These issues stem from design flaws, material choices, and manufacturing inconsistencies. Proactive maintenance is crucial, focusing on regular synthetic oil changes and monitoring for leaks to mitigate these common failures. Recent recalls and settlements have addressed key issues in the 4.7-liter Dodge engine. For oil consumption problems, reimbursements up to $2,500 are available for eligible vehicles. Timing chain failures have been covered with extended warranties through recent campaigns. Used Ram 1500 trucks with the 4.7-liter engine typically sell at a 10 to 15% discount compared to similar vehicles with other powertrains, reflecting ongoing reliability concerns. Owners are increasingly turning to online resources for DIY repairs and aftermarket solutions. Upgraded timing chains and piston rings have become more accessible, helping to address common faults. Electric truck adoption is rapidly growing, which may further decrease resale values for gas-powered 4.7 engines as buyers shift toward cleaner alternatives. By 2030, expect limited manufacturer support for the 4.7-liter engine, with focus shifting to newer powertrains. Proactive maintenance remains key to extending engine lifespan.